Meaning of interrelation.
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 Interrelation. Interrelation refers to the connection or association between two or more things. It implies a reciprocal relationship in which each thing affects or influences the other. In other words, interrelation describes the interconnectedness and interdependence of different aspects of a system, concept, or phenomenon. The term is often used in fields such as sociology, psychology, and ecology to describe how various factors and variables interact with each other to produce certain outcomes or patterns.